Hi friends, come and create a wet on wet painting with me.
Hello everyone. We are back after a full week. We had a fun summer camp. I don't know whether monsoon or summer actually, but we did have a camp, a Zoom session. It was amazing. I saw so many new children over there and we did so many new activities there. But besides that, this week is all fun filled with art and craft and cookies and wow. And today we have Mahika with us. Hi Mahika,
Hi,
how are you?
good.
Good? All set?
Yes, yes.
So how old are you? What are you going to teach us today?
I'm 11 years old and I'm going to teach you wet on wet technique in painting. Technique.
Superb. So, I don't know about you guys, but I had no clue about what wet on wet painting means until Mahika told me. I actually had to go through her entire thing to understand what wet on wet painting meant. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys have everything ready. So Mahika, can you tell us what all do we require for this?
Yeah, you need a cartridge paper, A3 or A4 will do. You
Okay.
need uh, three glasses, one filled with water. You need two poster two colors of poster paints, red and blue,
Okay.
and you need something to scoop out the paint, or you can do it with your brush.
Okay.
And you need a brush and a rough cloth,
All right.
and a tub or a bowl filled with water. Okay, so first we're going to take our paper, and then we're going to put it in the water.
Okay. So if you're using a cartridge sheet or an art sheet, please keep it in the tub for a while because it has to become really wet.
Yeah. Okay, and in the meantime, you can make our paint mixture. So we're going to take our blue color. Diluted. The paint should not be there at the bottom. Then you can go on to the red. Draining the paper till all the
Okay.
extra paint goes,
Okay.
water goes. Okay, and now, yeah, and now I'm going to take
Yes.
very less blue,
Okay.
and I'm going to start from the bottom, and I'm going to go up very less blue. It should almost be white. Like the whole page should be there. Only the top, you leave a circle, circle there, and, and then you should then continue doing the rest. Now I have left a space for the
Okay.
circle, okay, which is completely white. And if you get any bubbles under your sheet like this, like that, then if you take your, just lift your sheet and then lift it and put it back down and you won't get the bubbles. Start making your bottom dark. Now, once you've got your ground, we will start making our little hut house and we'll start going up in form of the hut or a square. Now we're going to form the top of our hut with like the hut, the triangle part, but not that much of a triangle, just an oval. Now you can start darkening your hut because then you will be able to make the difference between the hut and the sky. And you're going to make the same uh, roof for uh, for the uh, our hut,
Okay.
and then we're going to just take glue and with the tip of our brush, we're going to start forming two figures, two children.
So now we're going to start with our tree. We've finished our hut. We're going to start with our tree.
Okay.
We're going to take our tree and we're going to go up from down to up. This the last part of my brush, and I'm going to go towards the house
Okay.
and some branches in the moon in our circle, which was plain. Our circle, which was plain. I'm going to start taking branches into our circle. Now we're going to make our branches towards our hut and cross the moon or inside the moon. Mm,
Oh, that circle that we left was the moon, is it?
yeah, that circle that we left is the moon. And now, if you can
Okay.
see, only the two branches that I have put is the moon. Is these? It's the
Right.
shadow of the tree in the moon. Yes, it's a night
Okay.
scene. Yeah. And now we're going to start shaping our leaves. We're going to take our brush and we're going to move outwards of each branch,
Okay.
and we're going to move that tip of the brush like this at the red.
So is it supposed to be this light only when we are supposed to draw this? Like the entire painting is supposed to be?
The background has to be quite light because Otherwise, you won't be able to see.
No, not the background. I'm talking about the heart and the tree. Does it have to be this light only?
No, you can make it more dark. Like
Okay. Okay.
it's up to you as at this
Okay.
part.
Okay.
And now we're going to take very less red, and
All
we're going to
right.
start making purple. And you can put a little water to help make it purple at at the corner of our hut.
Okay. So children, blue and red make purple. That's what Mahika is doing.
I'm going to shade the heart from one side. We're going to do the same for our tree on this side on the corners. So that it shows that this side is dark because of the moon. It has more effective light, and this side and the corners, also the top corners of the tree, the leaves. And then you can slowly shade while bringing it to light and start bringing it to blue. Then you come out. of it. Now for the clouds, we're going to take very little blue, very little blue. I'll start forming a cloud, which is going to be very light. And then then you start taking a bit of red and start making it
Okay.
purple from
And why
this
are we
corner.
making everything purple, Mahika?
We're not making everything purple. We're only making the corners, the things which are in the corners purple, so that
Okay.
it's more dark and it's where a shadow is coming and the moonlight and the
I
moonlight
get
takes
that.
the shadow away. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, and I'm done.
Superb. Yes. I hope everybody can see that. And I'm so glad to have Mahika over to take such a beautiful red and red painting within no time. She has made this beautiful tree, a heart with two figures and a cloud. And I feel it's wonderful. Superb, Mahika. Are you all proud of yourself to doing this?
Yes, I am, and I'm
Yes.
proud of sharing this technique to all the viewers.
And I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
teaching us such wonderful thing in such less time. And you have a blast of hearts there, so obviously everyone's really excited. Thank you
Yes.
so much for teaching us this. Bye.
Bye. Bye.